think I need to remake this part, because I don't really like this seat to be on top of this. So actually the problem here is, if I'm going to put the robot the spine from here, I need to make something from something over here that can support it. And the best way to do it is either put this extrusion on top of it and make this plate go below of this extrusion. So here I am back to my college, going to the lab with the another metal plate I got from scrap. And this metal plate is better and much in good in thickness compared to the previous one. And so this is the another stencil part I made here. And the last time when I built this part over here, you can see that there's lots of errors in this part on while I was grinding and drilling and everything else. So I need to make this in a proper way in this new metal piece. And so I made this small stencil using the sunbone. So this is much better. So here is the markings based on the stencils, and I use white paper for making the mark on the top of this metal sheet. Now I need to cut this part out and drill some holes here, and yeah, let's go and do it. got everything soldered up. So all the motor drivers are connected to the Arduino Nano here in this prototyping board, and I need to program my Arduino Nano to control one of the driver at a time so that I can test the overall performance of the driver. And after this I will be going with the real test, like going with the real algorithm to control the three-wheeled configuration of Omni wheel. So let's test the motor driver one by one, and let's try to control the motors using Arduino Nano with a simple code. So this is a simple code for Arduino Nano, and using this I can control the forward. The motor will be working as it will move forward for 3 seconds, then stop for 1 second, then move backward for 3 seconds, and it will be going on this the motor will be going on this loop for continuously. So let's test and see the results. Now it's working perfectly. So for 3 seconds it will move forward, for 3 seconds it will move backward. So it's just a small test for the driver so that I can understand whether it's working perfectly or not. So yeah, as far as I can see, it's working perfectly without any problem. State all the motors with this drivers. Now let's go with the main connection. I will be connecting the powering here, power supplies and all, and I will try to control it using my FlySky transmitter receiver, which I already have. Let's first do the wirings and all, and let's clear up this the mess part over here. So let's do it. Here I have made all the wirings. Now next part is to make the control algorithm and control the entire robot, this robot base only. And yeah, this is all for this video. So the basic electronic setup is all I want to build here, and in the next video we are going with the software part. So we'll be controlling it using the FlySky transmitter and receiver that I have. And yeah, this is all for this video. I am Vikas and I love robotics. See you on the next video. Till then, bye.